In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a consistent voice in OpenArt. Consistency starts with a solid setup, so open your browser and head to the OpenArt suite. Once you're on the home screen, look to the left sidebar and enter the audio area. This is where we'll do everything for predictable, repeatable voiceovers. Next, choose an audio model. Pick the model that best matches your language and the style you want. For long-term consistency, stick with the same model across projects. Changing it can subtly alter pacing, pronunciation, and tone. Now type your prompt, the exact text you want spoken. Keep your punctuation, capitalization, and spacing consistent from project to project. Small text differences change rhythm, so if you have preferred stage directions like pause cues or emphasis notes, write them the same way every time. Choose your voice. Browse the available options and listen to a couple of short previews if you need to, then commit to one voice and note its exact name. Returning to the same voice, paired with the same model, is the backbone of consistent results. Open the voice control section. Here you'll shape character and emotion, make small deliberate adjustments rather than big jumps, and write down your values. A saved reference like calm 0.4, brightness 0.3, or similar markers helps you recreate the same color next time. Set the speed. Faster reads can sound energetic but may blur enunciation. Slower reads improve clarity but can feel heavy. Find a pace that suits your brand and reuse that exact setting for future scripts. Adjust stability. Higher stability reduces variation between takes and keeps the voice steady. Lower stability introduces more spontaneous expression. For a consistent sound, lean mid to high, but avoid the very top if the delivery starts to feel rigid. Use similarity boost to anchor the output to the chosen voice. Raising it can tighten identity and pronunciation. Pushing it too far can reduce naturalness. Nudge it until the performance reliably sounds like your selected voice, then keep that value. Style exaggeration heightens the voice's signature traits. A modest amount can bring life without drifting from your baseline. If you want repeatable results across many scripts, keep this controlled and predictable. When everything looks right, click Generate. Listen all the way through and compare it to earlier outputs. If something drifts, pace, brightness, or expressiveness, go back, nudge the same controls, and regenerate. Consistency comes from reusing the same model, the same voice, the same text formatting, and the same settings project after project.